Good morning, student. How are you? As all of you know, your exams are going to start from 17 September, है ना? So you have to do the practice of your syllabus and learning work also. In your syllabus, I gave you this lesson, the sentence. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Understand? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, I am giving you one example. Suppose I'll write only THIS. This ISH. This is. Now tell me, is it a sentence? No, na. These are two words. First word is this and second word is. If I will write something more here, so it will be a change into a sentence. This is a black rose. Full stop. This is a BLACK, black rose. ये काला गुलाब है. Now this is having a meaning, है ना? This is a black rose. ये काला गुलाब है. But when I written only this is ये है. क्या है? कुछ नहीं पता. तो ये half था. This is only two words. But I written here a full sentence. This is a black rose. This sentence is having meaning also. And I start my sentence with capital letter, and when it complete I put here one full stop. Understand? So this type of group of words is known as sentence because it is having meaning also. In your book, English language book, their definition also there. Here you can see. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Okay? You have to learn this also. Now, two things which you have to remember. Don't forget these two things about sentence. The sentence must begin with a capital letter. Just before I told you here, when I gave you one example here, this. So I start my sentence with capital T, not small t. Okay, we can't start our sentence with small letter. This is a black, BLACK, black rose. वैसे तो इसकी स्पेलिंग सब ठीक है, कोई स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग नहीं है, बट आई नॉट स्टार्टेड विद कैपिटल लेटर और आई नॉट पुट हियर वन फुल स्टॉप ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज नॉट राइट. Understand? This is not right method to write a sentence. The right method to write a sentence is always start your sentence with a capital letter and in the end of your sentence place a full stop. Understand? So these two things don't forget. Okay? Now here some examples are here. This work I gave you as homework in month of July. First and second is done. See, can birds fast fly very? I written here birds can fly very fast. These all words are in small letter. But when I change it into a sentence. I start my sentence with capital B. The spelling of birds I start with capital B, and at the last of the sentence I place one full stop also. Birds can fly very fast. Same here. Rails runs on train the. Then the train runs on rails. The capital T. THE. The train. Train means रेलगाड़ी. The train runs. The train runs on rails. रेल मीन्स RAILS. रेल्स मीन्स पटरी, पटरी में चलती है ना, तो रेल्स है ये. द ट्रेन रन्स ऑन रेल्स and I have to place here one full stop. Understand? So I gave you today this work. Today I gave you this work. Look at here. Books man's are a friend best. So I am writing here. Books are man's a best friend. Full stop. Okay. Now second, my drives father a jeep. My means मेरा, drive means चलाते हैं, father means पापा, a means एक और jeep means you know jeep, father means father. तो कौन चला रहा होगा इसको? My father. तो I have to write here my father and I have to start this sentence with capital letter. My father drives a jeep. Then full stop. Now you can see my father drives a jeep. This is a sentence. Understand? Now here some more jumble words. You have to write in correct order to make a sentence. 2 I solved, 1 and first and second wala I solved, and other third, fourth, fifth and sixth you have to solve yourself. Okay. Now this is your material noun. This lesson is also I gave you in your syllabus for first term exam. Material noun. Find out material nouns in the following sentence. What is a material noun? What is a material noun? Here it is in your book. The nouns iron, wood, silver, gold and cotton are the names of the material from which things can be made. They are therefore called material nouns. Okay. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made is called a material noun. कोई भी चीज़ किस चीज़ से बनी हुई है, जिस चीज़ से बनी हुई है उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? Material. In my last video I gave you so many examples of it. Now you can see here one nail cutter, है ना? What is it? It is a nail cutter. It is made of steel. So the steel is the material noun. Okay, steel is the material noun. And now you can see this. What is it? It is a remote. This remote is made of plastic. So plastic is a what? Material. So we will call it material noun. Plastic remote. It is a material noun. Okay. Now this book also. This book is made of your paper. So paper is our material. So we will call it material noun. Understand? A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made is called a material noun. Understand? Now here is the work which I gave you in month of July. Windows are made of what? Glass. Here's 14/7. I gave this work you on 14 July 20. ग्लास. ग्लास मीन्स कांच का. विंडो किसका बना हुआ है? कांच का. पेपर या ऑयल का तो नहीं बना होता ना. तो आपको यहाँ क्या लिखना था, ग्लास. देन कप्स आर यूजुअली मेड ऑफ. कप्स किसके बने होते हैं, चाइना क्ले के. सो आई अंडरलाइन दिस चाइना. दिस चाइना इज ऑल्सो अ मटेरियल. ओके, नाउ आई गेव यू वर्क which I am solving for you. Here you can see the question is find out material noun in the following sentences. Silver coins were used in olden days. Can you guess which word is material? Silver coin were used olden days. This silver is a material. So this is our material noun. The answer is, this is your question, you have to write like this, silver. Understand? Now in second, gold is a precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. This gold is our material noun. GOLD, gold. This table is made of wood. Which is material noun? This wood. This wood is our material noun. And all these are your homework, revision homework. You have to do all this work, but don't submit this work. Okay, then wood, this wood is your material. After that, she taught us the make cane basket. Have you ever seen cane basket? Yes or no? तो दिस केन इज, ये प्लास्टिक का होता है बेटा, ये केन कहते हैं इसे, ठीक है, ये चिपटा सा होता है, इससे बास्केट बनती है. तो दिस केन इज आवर मटेरियल नाउन. देन वाटर इज द बेसिक नीड ऑफ लाइफ. विच इज आवर मटेरियल नाउन? दिस वाटर. वाटर इज ऑल्सो अ मटेरियल नाउन. अंडरस्टैंड? दे थ्रू स्टोन्स एट द डॉग. Here this stone is also our material noun. Okay, stone is material, water is material, cane is material, and silver is material, gold is material. What we made with silver and gold? We made ornament. Ornament means jewelry. Jewelry, गहने जो बनते हैं सोने और चांदी के. So both are our material noun, and in this sentence this wood is our material noun. This table is made of wood. Wood is our material noun. Now third is your abstract noun. What is a abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of something which we can neither see nor touch, but we can only think of it. Abstract noun वो होता है जिसको ना हम देख सकते हैं और ना छू सकते हैं. I gave you example of this plastic remote and material noun. तो we can see it, हम इसे देख सकते हैं. We can touch it, ये तो मटेरियल नाउन है. बट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन वी कांट सी एंड वी कांट टच. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑनेस्टी. ऑनेस्टी मीन्स ईमानदारी. ईमानदारी को आप देख सकते हो, किसी इंसान की, किसी बच्चे की ईमानदारी को, ऑनेस्टी को कैन यू सी एंड कैन यू टच दैट? नो ना. वी कैन ओनली feel and we can only think about an abstract noun. Okay, we can think and feel about it. Here is the work of abstract noun. Find out abstract noun in the following sentence. This is your work. Life is a struggle. Life is a struggle. Can you see the life and touch? No, na. So this life is our abstract noun. And this honesty is the policy. Honesty को भी we can't see and we can't touch, but we can feel it and we can think about it. We can think about the honesty. So honesty is the abstract noun. Okay. Suraj takes up any responsibility. Can you see the responsibility? जिम्मेदारियों को आप देख सकते हो. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मीन्स जिम्मेदारियाँ. इनको आप देख सकते हो? नहीं ना. और हम छूना चाहें तो छू भी नहीं सकते, बट वी कैन फील इट और वी कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज ऑल्सो अवर what? It is our abstract noun. Now here, wisdom is better than strength. Wisdom and this strength, both are our. We can't see wisdom and strength. We can't see the both and we can't touch the both things. So both are our abstract noun. After the underline, you have to write here life. L-I-F-E, life. An exam also you do like this only. जैसे एग्ज़ाम में भी इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे ना, तो आपको इसी तरह से करना है. आपको सेंटेंस में से जो कुछ भी दिया होगा किस तरह का, तो आपको क्या करना है वो देखना है और उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पर क्या करना है, उसे आंसर लिखना है. ठीक है, एकदम शॉर्ट में इस तरह से. लाइफ को आपने पढ़ लिया, देख लिया, देन राइट डाउन दिस लाइफ हियर. नाउ हियर ऑनेस्टी इज आवर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. राइट डाउन हियर ऑनेस्टी. Understand? And other these abstract noun from 5 to 8 you have to do yourself. From 5 to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. These abstract noun you have to do yourself. And this worksheet is your non-submission worksheet. After doing this work, you don't submit the worksheet. Okay, and do more and more this type of questions. And your book, I also gave you this homework of abstract noun. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of abstract noun given in italic. Choose from the box. Here is the help box, and you have to write here the opposite word of this word, which is in italic. Okay, courtesy, discourtesy. Beauty, ugliness. This work and this work I will send you in our WhatsApp group. Here is fill in the blanks with the abstract noun formed from the words given in italic. Here is the word wise, wisdom. This is wise, and you have to make here there is wisdom in the old man's advice. What is her high? Do you know the dax of this piece of cloth? तो ये वर्क आपने पहले किया होगा, पहले किया था, मैंने दिया था. तो इस वर्क में भी मैंने देखा था थोड़ी बहुत गलती थी. ठीक है, तो उस समय मैंने सोचा था कि आपको एक बार फिर से इसको सॉल्व करके इसकी फ़ोटो क्लिक करके आपको भेजूँगी. तो अब ये जो वर्क है ये मैं आपको कल शाम तक भेजूँगी, तो आप उसमें से देखकर अपना वर्क करेक्शन कर लेना. ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही. Now we will meet in our next video on which day? On Friday. We will meet on Friday. Okay, I will give you one more revision worksheet on Friday. And my dear student, if you are watching the video, tell to your classmates also who live near your house to watch the video. Okay, because it help you to solve your work and your examination also. Okay, thank you student and bye.